welcome back to App Mentor.
In this video, I'm going to show you on how to turn off flash on iPhone camera running with the iOS 18 feature. In the past, sometimes users would say that they turn off the flash option and then it would automatically turn back on, which it will make it a little bit of a hassle. So what I'm going to show you is to completely turn it off. Now let's start this tutorial by opening first your camera app. Once you're on the camera, find the little lighting bolt icon at the top left corner. Next, long press the icon so it will show the pop up, and then you'll see the other options. Now turn it off. Select the option Flash Off so it won't auto turn on when you are using the camera. And there you go. The flash is completely turned off.
Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.